The North Sea Oceanarium is a zoological facility in Hirtshals in northern Jutland, housing a mixture of aquariums with live animals and interactive digital installations. They gave us the following problem statement to work with. How can we develop a communication strategy for a cohesive guest experience throughout different media channels before, during, and after a visit? To get a better understanding of the actual challenges, we went to the North Sea Oceanarium, where we talked with the department heads, staff, and guests at the North Sea Oceanarium. Through interviewing, talking, and observations, we found out some different problems. That the guests thought the space was dark and found it difficult to get around. After interviewing the different departments, we learned that it's a big organization, that it is troublesome to communicate with each other, and they find it hard to attract the locals. After a lot of insight and information about the challenges, we went back to Aalborg University to process and come up with innovative concepts. We went through a design process with lots of different ideas based on the visit to the North Sea Oceanarium. 5 of these ideas turned into different concepts that in one way or the other would solve or improve the challenges with the communication at the North Sea Oceanarium. The first concept is the Klumpemobilen, based on their mascot, a sunfish. It is a bus that do road shows to bring the oceanarium closer to people at different parts in the northern Jutland. Klumpemobilen creates awareness and attract people to the oceanarium. The second concept is an Instagram contest that makes the guest more active and participating. Further, it makes the experience last longer, as when you're home from the oceanarium you can vote for the best picture and win a prize. The third concept is to collaborate with the local communities to attract more tourism to northern Jutland and not just the oceanarium. This would create a full day experience for guests. The fourth concept is a children tickets distributed freely when purchasing fish from a local fish dealer. This would be valuable for the oceanarium, the fish dealer, and the customers, as they all get more value for money, and might attract more family to the North Sea Oceanarium. The fifth and last concept is an internal system connected with an AI that helps connect all the employees' thoughts, problems, observations, and ideas, aiming to improve the internal communication so the external communication can be better.
Together with the North Sea Oceanarium, we agreed on the AI as it could help to improve the overall external communication by solving their internal issues first. It is a big organization with many different departments and jobs, which makes it hard to communicate throughout the organization. We will now look at 3 different issues. One issue might be that guests can't find their way around, which would be observed by employees moving around the space daily and not the ones in the offices. Another issue we encountered was that the different departments had trouble posting on social media as they might post at the same time due to lacking communication. The last issue we're going to highlight is the language spoken at the feedings, as it varies. They have guests from different countries who might not be able to understand Danish. So the concept is a simple AI all employees can write to during the day with questions, ideas, constructive criticism, and observations. Everything is anonymous and collected in different department reports if the issues are observed or described by others as well. The AI is connected to a calendar so it knows what is going on throughout the organization. You would be able to access it on a smartphone, computer, or a common iPad. You'll have to write to the AI daily in the same program they use now to log in and out every day to make onboarding as easy as possible. The AI would improve the internal communication by connecting all the eyes and mouths in the organization digitally. So, how would the AI help in some of the examples showed earlier? The AI would know when someone just posted something on social media and help with creating content from all the employees' chats with the AI. The one in charge of the feeding would have checked with the AI which languages to do their feeding in. This is how we envision the AI helping to create a cohesive guest experience by improving the internal communication first.